Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of African cuisine with a fantastic recipe, homemade plantain swallow. It is a delicious and versatile dish that's a staple in many African countries. My name is Vetri Otto, and on this channel I share videos of food and business. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. Plantain is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, and potassium. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting overall health and well-being. Plantains are also high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy gut, and can contribute to better bowel movement. Plantain is also a rich source of carbohydrates, providing a quick and sustained energy release. Because this plantain swallow is made from whole plantains and water, it is relatively simple and free from additives, preservatives, or artificial ingredients. It can also contribute to a feeling of fullness due to its fiber content, therefore aiding in weight management. The potassium content in plantain can help regulate blood pressure levels, supporting cardiovascular health. Plantain swallow offers a flavorful and nutritious substitute. For this recipe, you'll need 5 unripe plantain, water, and salt. Salt is optional. You'll start by peeling the ripe plantain. Cut off the ends. Make a shallow cut along the length of the plantain and carefully peel off the skin. Next, cut the peeled plantain into smaller chunks and place them in a pot. Add enough water to cover the plantain chunks and a pinch of salt if desired. Place the pot on the stove over medium heat and bring the water to boil. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are soft and easy to be pierced with a fork. Next, remove the boiled plantain chunks from the pot and place them in a mortar and pound. Pound until you achieve a smooth, thick consistency. Dip the pestle in hot water from time to time to achieve that smooth, thick consistency. Be cautious not to add too much of water. You want a thick mixture that can be molded into balls. Next, once you've achieved the desired consistency, use a spoon to scoop out portion of plantain mixture. Roll the scooped mixture between your palms to form smooth, round balls or elongated shapes depending on your preference. Voila, your homemade plantain swallow is ready to be served. It's perfect for pairing with a variety of African soups and stews such as egusi soup, okra soup. And let me know in the comment section what your preference is. In this video, as you can see, it was paired with very hot, delicious egusi soup. There you have it, friends, a delicious and authentic homemade plantain swallow that you can easily recreate in your kitchen. It's a wonderful addition to your list of African dishes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Let me know in the comment section what other African dish you would like to see me make. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.